I flew all the way out from Boston, left the house at like 2 o'clock in the morning. Here I am with some beers and great barbecue.
Probably the first 10 minutes of class, I leaned over to my husband and said, this was definitely worth the money. It was definitely worth us coming. We learned so much this weekend. It's been invaluable.
You know, I thought we were doing fairly decent, but after this class, we weren't even classified as amateurs.
I got so much information. It's so much information going on in my head right now. I'm just like really ready to get at it.
It took us through start to finish, not just trimming and cooking, but also very good detail on presentation. And I feel like Ty gave us every bit of information we needed to be successful.
It was a complete tell-all. I mean, you could ask any question and he would answer. There was no, oh, that's my proprietary stuff. He was just so open.
Yeah, so when Ty and Rick said tell all, they told everything. They didn't hold back. They told you what they do consistently for every competition, from timelines to seasonings to injections to brines. You know, no holds bar.
Well worth it.
Well worth it. Well worth it.
I don't think you can get a much better detail on how to engage a barbecue competition than this.
That's worth its weight in gold to see somebody as good as Montana Outlaw BBQ do a full cook.
I learned a ton today. I took a page full of notes, so I can't wait to read my notes and give it a shot back home.
If you're even thinking of getting into competition cooking, you need to take this class because it's invaluable. You're learning from the experts and the champions.
If you're at all interested in getting into competition barbecue, this class is awesome. It's a great place to start. You get to see the whole thing and you get to learn from a nice family-run operation. They're good people, great facilities, good beer.
I have learned a ton, and if you're really into barbecue, you know, these guys have won a lot of competitions and clearly know what they're doing. I think you could learn a lot.